Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is SolidWorks practice exercise number 3. This is a sketch given in the left side of the screen. We will see how can we prepare the CAD model of this sketch by using SolidWorks tools. So let's start. First of all, select a plane. We will select front plane, make it normal to. Let's draw some sketch. Go to sketch, select line from here and let's start to sketch. It is understood now we have drawn the side view of this model. Now provide the dimensions to this line. Go to Smart Dimension. Let this be 42 mm. This should be 15 mm. This should be 8 mm. Just select this point and make it fixed. Then again go to Smart Dimensioning. The distance between this point to this point according to figure is 56 mm. The distance between these two lines is equals to 11 into 2, that is 22 mm. It means the thickness of these two vertical walls are 10 mm. So just provide distance 10 mm to these walls. And the thickness of this horizontal wall is 8 mm. Now the sketch of the side view of this model is prepared. Now go to Features, select Extruded Boss from here. Change the direction and select distance 30 mm as given in figure. Select OK. Select this top face, make it normal to. Go to Sketch, select Circle from here and draw a circle. Select OK. Now go to Features, select Extrude Boss. Change the direction of Extruded Boss and select the distance 8 mm. Click on OK. Now again select this top face, make it normal to and draw some sketch here. Select a circle. Drag your mouse to the circumference of this circle so that we can get the center of this circle. Draw a circle here. Go to Smart Dimensioning. Provide the dia of 13 mm to this circle. Now go to Features. Go to Extruded Cut and click OK. Now the one hole is created. Now click on this surface, right click and make it normal to. Go to Sketch, select a circle from here and draw a circle. Go to Smart Dimensioning. Provide the dia of this circle, that is 13 mm. The distance of center of circle from this line is 11 mm and from this line it is 15 mm. Now go to Features, select Extruded Cut from here and click OK. This will complete our model. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.